With the Aquasana massaging wand, you can experience the convenience of a handheld, adjustable pressure shower head with the proven filtration capabilities of the Aquasana shower filter. To install your massaging wand, first, remove the existing shower head from the filter unit. Then, screw the shower wand holder to the filter unit. Be sure the hose outlet is pointing down. Next, take one end of the shower hose and make sure the black rubber O-ring is in place on the hose nut. Take one of the black rubber washers and place it on top of the hose nut. You may use your finger to push the washer inside the white plastic threads of the hose nut cover. Then, screw the hose end into the hose outlet on the shower wand holder. Take the remaining hose end and make sure the black O-ring is in place on the hose nut. Place the remaining black rubber washer on top of the hose nut. Then, screw this hose end into the shower wand attachment. Finally, place the shower wand in the holder. Once the installation is complete, you may then adjust the shower wand to your desired pressure by turning the white swivel nozzle on the shower face.